Dear Senator Booker, my name is Hannah Vale. I'm from Morristown, New Jersey, and I am urging you to support the Global Health Security Act. Especially in times like these, it is massively important to think globally. Health, economic, and social crises disproportionately impact the world's poor. It is our job as global leaders and privileged American citizens to aid others less fortunate. The coronavirus threatens to upend decades of progress concerning global poverty alleviation in what economists call the Great Reversal. In a worst-case scenario, more than 500 million people, almost 8% of the population, could be pushed into poverty as a result of the pandemic. This is why it is imperative that you support the Global Health Security Act. The bill's goal is to authorize a comprehensive strategic approach for U.S. foreign assistance to developing countries to strengthen global health security and for other purposes. Ultimately, the bill will increase the U.S. government's efforts to support epidemic and pandemic preparedness and prevent as well as mitigate the threats of infectious disease outbreaks. The bill would establish a global health security agenda, interagency review council, that would provide policy-level recommendations to participating agencies on GHSA-specific measurable goals, objectives, and implementation measures. Not only would this bill strengthen the interagency multi-sectoral engagement within the United States, but it would ensure that developing countries have the necessary tools to combat global health crises such as COVID-19. The bill calls for the Council to set specific and measurable goals that reflect best practices relating to transparency, accountability, and global health security. It utilizes the United States' position as a global leader to emanate that leadership into the area of global health security. Poor individuals in disadvantaged countries will know that the United States is behind them in their fight to advance their positions and create better lives for themselves. As a global leader and champion of human rights, it is important for the United States to give a voice to the otherwise voiceless. This bill is an important part of stabilizing the future for these individuals, as well as the stability of the United States economy and health. Once again, please support the Global Health Security Act. Thank you so much for your time.